Zhangjiagang Jiaowei Machinery Company Limited is located in Zhangjiagang City, which is famous for its pretty scenery and convenient land and water transportation. It is professional in the field of blow molding machine, which covers more than 50 types of automatic blow molding machine for the products ranging from 5 ml to 1000 L, adopt to process various of plastic materials, PP, PE, PVC, ABS, HDPE, PA, EVOH. Product following plastic production such as the plastic toys, bottles, drums, jerry cans, auto parts, chairs, oil tanks, pallets, and other plastic hollow products. Importing the Japanese technology, and form a powerful R&D team which consists of many experts, engineers, and technical men. To guarantee the quality, we also have a professional after-service team for installing and maintain machines for customers in the lifelong time. According to customers' special requirement, we can design right blow molding machines meeting for producing clients' plastic productions. Jiaowei blow molding machines have been exported to a lot of countries with different areas, such as Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Syria in Middle East, Egypt, Uganda in Africa, Poland, Bulgaria in Europe, Chile, Brazil, Colombia, Argentina in South America, and etc. Jiaowei Attention, creating the value for the customers and win the future. Welcome to Zhangjiagang Jiaowei Machinery Company Limited. Choose Jiaowei is your right choice all the time.